We've seen the overview and the background of the company behind the project. Now, I'll give you a breakdown of the properties. Jakana Heights is being developed in 2 phases. Phase 1 with 21 units including studio, 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments. Phase 2 with 55 units including 1, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments. Prices start from $100,000 in Ugandan shillings, 370 million for the modest budget, to $450,000 in Ugandan shillings, 1.6 billion for a luxurious penthouse. Please note that prices vary based on the size, location, and view of your property. We'll start with a studio apartment. The apartment features 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Walking through the front door, you're greeted with a living area, directing you to the open-plan kitchen. Moving from the kitchen, on the left-hand side is a studio room. It's spacious enough to fit a king-size bed. Veering to the left is the wardrobe. It has a divider wall separating the bedroom from the living room and the open-plan kitchen, giving well-needed privacy. The studio is equipped with French double doors that allow a lot of natural light, leading you to the balcony where you can have your morning coffee or read a book. And finally, from the bedroom, you can access the spacious bathroom with a large hotel-style shower. Studios appeal to a growing number of renters who want stylish and compact living space in a great location, making them an attractive option for investors. They are also perfect for single people and young professionals. Please note, the studios in this phase have been sold out. They are the fastest selling property. So if you're interested, please contact us using the contact details on the screen now to book for the second phase and avoid missing out on this property. The price in the second phase remains the same. However, the house area has been increased from 61 to 68 square meters. Let's move on to the stylish 1-bedroom apartment. The apartment features 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. Walking through the front door, you're greeted with a fabulous open-plan kitchen and living area, with plenty of room to entertain and relax with your friends and family without feeling far away from each other. The living room has a balcony area, giving you a private outdoor space to host events and barbecues with family and friends. Heading back down the hallway, you'll arrive at the thoughtfully located guest toilet, separating guests from the private areas of the apartment. And finally to the master suite. The room is spacious enough to fit a king-size bed, featuring beautiful large windows that flood the room with natural light, making your bedroom a perfect place to view morning sunrises and evening sunsets. The wardrobes are generously sized with a beautiful vanity dresser. The ensuite is equally impressive with his and hers basins and a luxurious shower. The price for the 1-bedroom apartments varies from $145,000 in Ugandan shillings, 536 million, to $172,000 in Ugandan shillings, 636 million. Lastly, we'll see the 2-bedroom apartment. It features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. As you walk into this 2-bedroom apartment from the front door, you'll find yourself in the living room. Moving on from the living room, you'll arrive at the open-plan kitchen and dining. This incredible space will be your family hub, where you'll enjoy spending time together. This open-plan area becomes even larger when you open the large French door to the balcony, creating the ultimate indoor-outdoor entertaining space. Heading back into the house, you'll see a foyer, which is the area connecting the open living space with the space for the home office. The immediate left is the master bedroom with a closet. It has enough space for your lamps, table, or chair. The master is en suite with a shower. Moving down the hallway from the master bedroom, you'll find a bathroom on your left fitted with a shower, before finding yourself in the last bedroom, big enough for kids of any age and can also be used as a guest room. The room has plenty of space for a chair, bedside table, or a portable wardrobe. The price for the 2-bedroom apartments varies from $165,000 US in Ugandan shillings 610 million to $180,000 US in Ugandan shillings 666 million. You may also look out for a full price list in the description. The 3 and 4 bedroom apartment blocks are currently under construction. We'll revisit for an update. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch out for part 3, where we talk about how to finance a house in this project and the different payment options. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.